Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you disable and turn off the two-factor authentication on your Facebook account, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you in a very easy method how can you exactly do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Facebook app, we need to get something out of the way. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, search for Facebook simply in the top right here. And from the search results, open Facebook and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process, guys. After that, you can quit the store, and now you can just go ahead and open the Facebook app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account before initiating any step. So the first step is going to your menu, so tap right here in the top right corner on the profile picture right here. And then from the menu, we need to go to settings, so tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, right there. And then from settings right here, we need to go to the account center. So tap on see more in account center right here. Wait for the account center to load up. It's gonna take a couple of seconds right here. And once it does, we need to go ahead and tap on password and security here, guys. And then from here, tap on two-factor authentication. This is the option that we want to turn off. From here, choose the account that you want to turn off the two-factor authentication off. And then from here, tap on the method that you have chosen once you turned on the two-factor authentication. I choose the text messages. Now from here, all you need to do is to switch this toggle off. You'll get this menu, tap on turn off in the bottom, and the two-factor authentication option will be turned off in your account. And that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.